Welcome DIKWP 小工 aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever felt like someone's true passion is hidden behind a mask? Meet Yucong Duan people think he's all about theory or maybe just building apps. Big mistake. The real story is far more intriguing. So, what's the deal? Forget a simple theory versus application tug of war. It's not even close. Think of it like this. The world is the ultimate prize. Theory. That's your high-powered telescope, your cognitive probe, and the applications. Those are the mandatory reports you have to file just to keep using the telescope. He sees theory not as an ivory tower, but as a tool, a lens to understand the reality applications. More like the institutional tax you pay to stay in the game. His quote nails it. Theory is a probe, not an endpoint. The goal isn't the theory itself, it's what the theory helps him see in the vastness of the world. Let's talk DIKWP data, information, knowledge, wisdom, purpose. Now, don't get bogged down in the acronyms. For him, this isn't some fancy blueprint for an app or a paper. It's a cognitive skeleton, a way to dissect how these layers interact, how they generate each other, break apart, and sometimes lead us astray. The real kicker is purpose. Once purpose enters the equation, it's not just about how we represent the world, but why we organize our understanding in a certain way. This touches on deep stuff, meaning, responsibility, how we connect. DIKWP isn't a finished product. It's a temporary language, a set of handles he uses to grasp the edges of reality. It's a probe, not packaging. Here's the crux of the matter, the real pain point. Imagine wanting to explore the deepest ocean trenches, but you're forced to constantly report your findings in the form of tourism brochures. That's the translation tax he faces. Every patent, every paper, every conference appearance, it looks like achievement externally, but internally. It's a cost. It's survival energy drained from his original quest. The real tragedy isn't a reluctance, it's never having been liberated. He's trapped in a system where the very act of staying relevant forces him to translate his profound questions into forms others can accept, purchase, publish, archive. Over time, the shell starts shaping the explorer, leading to alienation. The person who wanted to question the world starts looking more like the version others expect him to be. What does the future hold? Forget the usual metrics of success, like citations or patents. The critical variable is whether he retains his right to explore. Can he still let reality shock his language? Can DIKWP remain a knife that can be modified, even thrown away if needed? There are 4 potential paths. Open deepening. He keeps refining DIKWP, letting reality reshape it. This is the path aligned with his core intention. Institutional absorption. Parts get used, but the original spirit gets diluted. Framework closure, danger zone. Concepts become a wall replacing the world. Exhaustive survival, busy producing shells, but the core exploration fades. The key isn't external validation, it's internal freedom to question. Ultimately, the greatest failure isn't misunderstanding, it's losing touch with the world itself, ending up with only a language to explain it, not the ability to truly contact it. What needs guarding isn't a model, a title, or a checklist. It's the fundamental right to explore, the ability to keep questioning. That's the real story.